Hello, my name is Jorge Nava, member of team number 2, and today I would like to talk about the different learnings that I had over the last 5 weeks by working on the BTC challenge. Firstly, I would like to talk about the different reports that were carried out over the last 5 weeks because I found them very useful in the aspect of firstly identifying the problem, defining an objective by considering the critical and primary metrics, and with this have a firstly side of the challenge. And this because in order to define the critical metrics and the primary metrics, it was important to take a look on the database provided by BTC and also by investigating the most important aspects of inventory management in order to correctly define the primary metric and the critical metrics. And after this, by using different tools such as the process flow, the FME analysis, define better solutions for this challenge. Now, talking more about the aspect of inventory management, when carrying out the investigation about the different policies that exist within inventory management, I found very interesting about how carrying out this type of project, there is no only one solution. This meaning that different policies can be used and great results can be achieved. For example, there exists the RS policy, the SS policy, the SQ policy, and all of them can be used in order to achieve a solution for this challenge. But it was important to take also in consideration different aspects such as the inventory levels, the service levels, the fill rate as a constraint, and the lead time. There are some important aspects that need to be considered within inventory management. So, by taking in consideration these aspects and by taking a look on the database, I found very interesting an aspect that is the best learning that I take out from this course, that is the ABCD classification. This because by making this analysis, in this case it was considering the product revenue, it can be identified which product represents the largest percentage of the sales of a company. For example, in the A classification, the products that are within this classification represent the 80% of the total sales of a company. That is, with this, I was able to identify that this possibly is one of the most important tools for a company, because with this they can identify which of the products they need to mainly focus on them, because these represent like the largest sales percentage for them. So by identifying this and using the different policies, define the optimal safety stock level, considering also the service levels, because the products within the A classification need a 99.5% of service level, meaning that there couldn't be any days that the demand was not fulfilled. This meaning that there can't be any days with backlog. Backlog cost, meaning that the days where the demand was not fulfilled. So for the case of the products within the A classification, this was not possible. So by modifying the safety stock of the products, these service levels can be fulfilled, and this is something that was very useful for the challenge, especially when applying the SS policy. And after fulfilling this and considering the in total inventory cost for the product within the A classification, which was the main focus because of their importance for the company, by carrying out an original solution and an alternative solution, I was able to identify about how, by carrying out the correct inventory policy, there can be a significant reduction not only on the total inventory cost of the A, B, C, D classification, but within the products in the A classification that are the most important products for a company. This is why I was able to understand throughout the working of this challenge that there can be many solutions for the inventory management challenges that can be present, but considering the right variables and the right policy can be very useful in order to achieve the best result. Thank you.